So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a signature, or you can say a end quotation for every email you are sending. The signature or the what you say end quotation will by defaultly added to end of every email you sent via your email account in which you added that particular signature, so that it gives you a particular signature of yourself that the email has been sent by you. It gives you a proper identity, or you can say a remark. So in order to add a signature on your email, all you have to do is to just simply open the Gmail account on any browser, or you can do the same step on a smartphone as well. Just simply search Gmail. Now all you have to do is to go to the settings of your Gmail. You can find the settings option at the top right corner. You can see it's just right there. When you click on the settings option, a small window of quick settings will be open. Now you have to click on the option of see all settings. When you click on this option, a window will open right in front of you of all the settings of your Gmail. Now you have to scroll down and find an option of signature in the general section only. You can see if you are any other section, you have to come back to the general section and now find an option of signature. You can see it's just right there. You can see the option of signature. It says appended at the end of all outgoing messages, which means all all emails you send to someone, this signature will be added at the end of it. Just simply click on the new and name the signature. For example, I write sample over there. When I write this, now a signature has been created. Now you have to write the signature that you want to add to end of your email. Now for example, I have written this, and now the Gmail the shortcut has been created, or you can see the signature. Now you have to make some these signature default settings, and once you are done with all this, the signature has been created for all your emails that you are sending to someone. So by this method you can add the signature to your emails. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.